Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Rog here again, and today I'm going to cook something very popular. It's what is it? Oh yeah, it's mac and cheese with a few little additions. Very tasty, very wholesome, very hearty, especially when the weather's getting a bit cold. Stay tuned, watch this video, try it for yourself, and good luck. So to start, we need one whole white onion, which we're going to thinly slice, just like this. Now into a pan of boiling water we go with our macaroni. We want to cook this as per the instructions on the packet. Now we're going to need 75 grams approximately of a really strong flavoursome cheddar cheese. And also we're going to need some Parmesan cheese. About 25 grams should do the trick. Into a pan with a knob of butter and some cooking oil. And then we can follow that in with our sliced onions. In that goes. We'll cook these down until they're quite soft. We can go with 4 tablespoons of flour, just an ordinary flour. This is going to be the thickening agent for our sauce. So we're going to mix this into the onions, stir this around, give it a good old stir, get all the onions coated. Then we can move on to the next step of adding our milk. We'll need about 500 millilitres in total. Now we don't want to go in with the milk all in one go. Just add it slowly, just a bit at a time, until it starts to thicken. And then we can add a little drop more. And keep doing this until you finish the sauce. Then we can go in with 25 grams of Parmesan cheese, followed by 75 grams of a really strong cheddar cheese. Now this is our secret ingredient, a very big teaspoon full of hot English mustard. Pop that in. Then there's our other secret ingredient, some Worcestershire sauce, a good glug of that. Stir that in and mix that around. Then we can go in with our pasta that has been rinsed and drained. In that goes. Mix this into the sauce. There we go, starting to look lovely now. Now we can pop it into our dish and prepare this for the oven. We'll put it all in, and then we're going to give it a sprinkling, a very good sprinkling of Parmesan cheese over the top. This is going to give it a really nice flavoursome crust when it's finished cooking. So it's off to the oven, and after about 30 to 40 minutes, gas mark 4, this is what you end up with. A beautiful mac and cheese, brown and crispy on the top, gorgeous. Well guys, that is amazing. A lovely mac and cheese with the addition of some onions. Brilliant. Please try it for yourself. Get your pan out, don't waste any time, and get yourself cooking. And I'll be looking forward to seeing you again in the next video. Bye for now. So if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell, and then you'll get reminders. You'll see new videos every week and hundreds to choose from. Thanks for watching.